After viewing the tour of this fine home, please call Pam at 941-993-3388 to schedule a private showing or to ask any questions you may have. Enjoy water views from this lightly lived-in 2,500 plus square feet, 3-bedroom plus den, 2.5 bath home at Willow Chase. The first level offers a nicely designed kitchen with wood cabinets, granite tops and stainless appliances, a spacious 14 by 10 office, an open floor plan with a great room overlooking the lake behind. The master suite offers dual sinks, tub and walk-in shower. Upstairs is perfect for family and guests, having 2 bedrooms, a full bath with tub plus a spacious bonus room. This gated, yard care included community, just off Laurel Road, exudes pride of ownership, having lush tropical landscape and a community center for residents to enjoy. A resort-style heated pool, fitness center, tennis, pickleball and basketball courts, plus a gathering area for residents to enjoy. The monthly HOA fee of only $255 per month and NO CDD fee makes Willow Chase an attractive place to live. Just a quick few minutes to the interstate, 15 minutes to the beach, and easy ride to Sarasota or downtown Venice. Call today. This is a lot of house for the money, in a great location of similarly designed homes.